Hello, Sight and Sound family. My name is Deja Luder. I'm 30 years old from Baltimore, Maryland, and this is my audition reel to be a part of the casting crew of Sight and Sound Theaters. Sight and Sound Theaters has been um, a part of my life for forever. I remember the first time I saw my first show at Sight and Sound, and it was Noah, and from that day on, I absolutely enjoyed and just always wanted to be a part of the ministry and spreading the gospel and sharing the love of God through theater. So, with that being said, for my audition reel today, I will be doing a classic hymn, Amazing Grace, followed by a snippet of the monologue Demons by D.M. Larson. Hope you enjoy. Amazing grace, how sweet the sound that saved a wretch like me. I once was lost, but now I'm found, was blind, but now I see. Run, run before, before they find you. I am hellbound, and they burn in my soul. They are part of me. There's still hope for you. There's still hope for you. Hope. There is no hope anymore. Lost and undone, buried deep in this tomb, in this dark tomb. My king is what was done. From beyond heaven and earth, there's no deliverance from this evil. Oh, wait, wait, what are you doing here? Why are you still here? No, you got to go. No, you are not strong enough. You can't, you can't, you can't sing. You could never take them.